Hey, what's up? I'm Russ with Dapper Dividends and letting you know that finally AT&T is spinning off. They're divesting themselves from the boondoggle that has been DirecTV. Lumping in with DirecTV is also AT&T TV and U-Verse. They're getting rid of all three, spinning it off into a new company that will be called DirecTV. Now they're doing this through a reverse SPAC. There is a private equity firm, TPG, that they are going to be selling the business to, and that is how it will become its new entity. So they'll be bringing the public equity firm into the public sphere. It will be a publicly traded company. We as investors will receive shares, and what I will be doing with those shares is I will be selling them and plowing them into more AT&T because DirecTV will no longer be on the consolidated balance sheets. AT&T is free of DirecTV. They bought it for about $67 billion with debt in 2015. They're selling it for about $6.7 billion. That's about an 88% loss, but a loss is a loss, and it's been a boondoggle, and it's been a millstone around the company's neck. So I'm thankful that they're doing this. We're going to get new shares of a new company, and I'm going to buy more AT&T because I think they'll be lighter, stronger, leaner, and meaner for it. And the enterprise value for the new company will be $16.25 billion, the company said. John Stankey, the CEO, said, "We certainly didn't expect this outcome when we closed the DirecTV acquisition in 2015. And following the close of the transaction, AT&T will own 70% of the common equity, with TPG having the remaining 30%. I think this is really good for AT&T. Once again, this is not financial advice. This is my opinion that I plan to sell the shares of DirecTV because I think it is a dying company. I do not want to be part of that. Good luck to TPG, by the way. I hope you can resurrect DirecTV and bring them back into prominence. I don't want to be a part of it. I'm selling the shares of the new entity, DirecTV, and I will be buying more shares of AT&T with that. I think they unlocked value. I think there will be a lighter, leaner, meaner fighting company, not having this albatross around their neck anymore. That's what I'm doing. If I've given you value at any point in this video, please help me out with a like and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter at RustyRam78. Check me out on Dapper Dividends on Instagram, and I will talk to you in the next video.